Hello friends, welcome back to EduTech for All channel. Today we are taking our Arduino skills to the next level. We are not just building a Bluetooth controlled car, we are building a fully reactive lighting and horn system. In this video, I am going to show you how to build the entire robotic car step by step. If you want to watch this kind of how to make videos, you must subscribe our channel and also like, share and comment on it. Now let's make it. First of all, let us take a look what kind of components required for this project. A PVC board, Arduino UNO, L298N motor driver, Bluetooth module, geared motors, 4 wheels, jumper wires, cell clamp, switch, lithium-ion batteries. Fix the motors on the PVC board using hot glue. Now connect the wires of the motors as shown in the video. This is the basic diagram of the motor connections. Now fix the cell clamp on the PVC board. Similarly, fix the motor driver and Arduino UNO on the PVC board using hot glue. Now connect the negative terminal of the cell clamp to the ground pin of the motor driver, and also another terminal to the ground pin of the motor driver to the ground pin of Arduino UNO. Now connect the 5V pin of the motor driver to the 5V pin of Arduino UNO. This is the pin connections of the Bluetooth module HC05. Connect the Bluetooth module to Arduino UNO. Connections of Bluetooth module to the Arduino UNO is like this. Connect the input pins of L298N motor driver to Arduino UNO. Pin connections are like this. Connect the motor driver to the motors. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the 12V pin of L298 motor driver through the switch. I have made the stand using ice cream sticks to mount the Bluetooth module and the buzzer. Arduino UNO has only 3 ground pins, but we need more ground pins, so we have made this common ground pin. Now let us fix the 4 LEDs using hot glue. Now connect the Arduino ground pin to the common ground. Now let us connect the buzzer to Arduino. The positive pin of the buzzer will be connected to the digital pin 3 of Arduino. Now fix the buzzer with the stand. Now let us connect the 4 LEDs to the Arduino. The positive pins of the LEDs will be connected to the digital pins of Arduino like this. The 4 negative pins of the LEDs will be connected to the common ground pin. Now connect the PC to the Arduino to upload the program. Before going to upload the program, you must unplug the HC05 Bluetooth module. Now open the Arduino IDE. This is the basic program for this Bluetooth controlled robotic car. I have given the link of the program in the description box. You may download the program and use it for the project. Now upload the program to Arduino. Now come to your smartphone. You need a special app for this project. I have given the link of the app in the description box. Now open the app and open car controller. Connect with Bluetooth. Now you may control your car using this app.